Which of the following is a compound? In this, given options are stainless steel, bronze, graphite, hydrogen sulfide. We know hydrogen sulfide means H2S is a compound of hydrogen and sulfur. Stainless steel and bronze are alloys, whereas graphite is allotropic from of element carbon. So option is hydrogen sulfide is a compound. Next one. Brass is an example of brass is an alloy which is a homogeneous substance. So answer is in these four options: compound, element, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Answer is homogeneous mixture. Next one. Select one of the physical change. Each of the process given in options are irreversible and involve change in chemical properties, hence all are chemical changes. So in these options everything is are chemical changes: digestion of the food, growth of plant, rusting of iron. So the option is none of these. Which of the following is a colloid? Those substances which cannot pass through membrane are termed as colloids. Example: silicic acid, whereas sugar solution, urea and NaCl can pass through the membrane. So option is silicic acid. In sugar, air is regarded as a mixture because air is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Its general composition is nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, and traces of few other gases. But there may be variation in its composition from place to place and at different height. So option D is correct answer. Its composition may vary. Camphor can be purified by camphor, being a sublime substance, can be purified by sublimation. Sorry, here it is spelling correction. Option 4 is correct. Purity of a solid substance can be checked by its boiling point, melting point, solubility in water, solubility in alcohol. The option is melting point. Every pure solid has a fixed melting point. Filtration can be used to separate solid from solids, liquid from solids, liquids from liquids, liquid from gases. The option B is correct, liquid from solids. The process used to separate oil and water. As oil being less denser than water, it forms upper layer. Thus, mixture of oil and water can be separated by using separation funnel. So, answer is separation funnel. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous substance? Candle is a heterogeneous mixture of wax and thread. Copper is element, while bottled water and table salt are compounds. So options are option D is correct, candle.